Alright, you got to get yourself a couple things. One, a wild game 6-volt digital power control unit that has a timer. You got to get yourself a nice 20-gallon trash can. Galvanized lasts longer than normal steel. Take that hole out of the bottom of it. You need some tin. Find a siding guy. Get a little piece of tin. It's all over your house. You cut that into this and this, and this will make a little Chinese hat at the bottom of it. I use the cap as a template. That's my template. Boom. Now we're going to go ahead. We're going to stick this cap. Stick my Chinese hat into the bottom of here without slicing or dicing. Once you've got it right in the money, if you got the money shot, you got to take it. Right there she is. She's right about there. Now I'm going to reach in. This comes with it. It's a little port for the corn. We're going to put that over there like that. We're going to turn it so the screws are lined up kind of decent. We're going to send them home. We're going to do all four. Once this is in place, now all the corn will gravity feed to the bottom of the barrel. The 20 gallon feeder here, not a 30-gallon Moultrie. But if you want to see some deer this year, you want to throw some fresh corn at them, they love it. They just love that corn. Oh, she's stuck out. That is not good. We have a not good. Hold on. Well, before you fasten it, get yourself some aluminum tape. And that'll hold it all together. Right along the sides there. It'll stop the corn from going in. And that replaces a $29 piece or something on eBay so that this stuff doesn't get, so that it'll be a gravity feed. Not no plastic one. It's all American metal, people. All American metal. I believe in it, even the tape is metal from America. The can's metal. That's from America. Because we're Americans, not Americans. Unfortunately, you're going to watch me do this whole procedure. I wouldn't want to do anything to not complete the task. We're ready for a big season here in northern Michigan, right, Doug?
Oh yeah.
Big deers.
Coming up soon.
Big deer. At least a big fat juicy doe here and there. That's all I really need. Now you can paint this here contraption, or you can just leave it old Sanford style and say she's just gonna weather and patina it just like a beautiful piece of metal that's gonna rot airborne. So we got that all hooked up. Bam, we have our gravity feed. And being that these handles will crush the lid a little bit, just throw a piece of pipe, 2x4, whatever you got, maybe your lady's broom, witch's broom, who knows. Throw that in there like that. We're actually going to take the extra time today to We could glue it in place, but this aluminum tape just keeps going, coming and going. So we're gonna aluminum tape around here so that this can be lifted like that, no problem. Weighs like nothing. But before, we're gonna attach this here gadget. You want to even her up on that, get her a little lower. But and before I did all these, I did put a little epoxy on the set screws. When you get that epoxy out, do the lid like that and you won't have any scenarios there. The idea with this is you got a coned hood so that everything's going to shed off of it, the water. How long has it been, Doug? Has it been over 2 minutes?
6 minutes.
Wow. Okay. Well, not bad considering I only got about $60 into the entire project. And I'm going to have a 20-gallon galvanized deer feeder. That will be my deer's best friend. Boom. What the hell? Okay.
There we go.
It's got to be set up. And there you have it, folks. An all-American dream. There you go. Let's adjust it so the cord is just right about there. Right there at the bottom. And you got a corn throwing machine. Good luck, YouTubers. Have a good year, 2017. Bring home the horns if you can. If not, a big, fat, juicy dough, just good for me. See ya.